If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So guys, I will be taking a trip out of country, so I will not be back until the 14th, and I'll probably be making videos starting on the 15th or 16th of August. So if there's any donation requests, please hold them until I get back, unless you want to wait. So let's take a look at the daily chart for BABA, and you can see that earnings were released just yesterday, and BABA did pretty good, which is not surprising. You can see that they did better on the earnings than the revenue, but both of them were a surprise from the estimated, so that's pretty good. BABA's still fundamentally sound in my eyes. It looks pretty good on the fundamental side. So let's take a look at the technical side. So why did BABA gap up and then start to trend down? So what BABA did was that it gapped down from this breakout point, and prices traded down after the breakout, found some type of support at the $88 level, bounced up, filled in the gap, and tested the breakout level, came back to the EMA, found resistance, and then we sold off pretty much the rest of that day. So you can see that BABA came back to test this breakout level at the $100.64 level, came back, found resistance, got rejected from the EMA, which is not a good sign, and we gapped down today. So that's not a good sign either. So still looks pretty bearish on the chart. I believe they want to bring the stock price lower to the bottom of the range. This was the channel in play previously, which we have finished, but the overall pattern is a range, so most likely they want to target the lower side of the range, and that's where the measured move target is too, at the 78, or right around the $78 level is the measured move. So this is the range pattern in play. You can see that we're finding strong resistance at that 118 to 120 level, and strong support around that $82 level. So prices move from the highs to the lows in a range, and then the lows to the highs. So since we're at the highs, prices were trading down to the lows pretty much since early to mid July. You can see the prices got back in the range and started trading down to the lower side. So this is the next logical area prices want to reach. Is it guaranteed? No, it's not guaranteed, because prices could find some type of support at previous swings and then maybe see a rally up, but the market will try to bring the price down to this level right over here. So things are still looking bearish for BABA. We're still below the EMA. We came back and found resistance at that breakout point and sold off, so that's not a good sign either. That means we're kind of like building walls behind us that we have to break through in the future. So it looks like sellers are still in control of this stock, so I'll be looking for low price targets for the foreseeable future. So that's everything I have for BABA on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for BABA. Very strong downtrend, bear market that we're currently seeing. Prices did get a breakout of this downward channel, which is a good sign. Means the channel or the downtrend is coming to an end. But first, we need to see a new low take place. You can see that prices were in this channel for a few years. We got a break of the channel, got a break above the EMA, which was not done for a long time. So it looks like buyers are near or close by. Prices did break down through the EMA again because they're coming back to retest this prior low to complete the pattern. You can see that we had 3 consecutive red weeks, and even this week is pretty bearish, because if I zoom in on the chart, you can see that this candle for this week is pretty bearish, because this bar was green all the way up to the 102.79 level, and then sellers brought it back down to the 92.66 level, so they closed it pretty low. So that's bearish, so shows rejection at these higher price levels. So I'll be looking for lower price targets. I'm looking for this downtrend pattern to be complete, and to complete it we'll be needing to reach the low 70s once again. And if we don't find any support there, we can't ignore the all-time lows for the stock right around the $60 level. So again, if we don't find any support at that $70 level, probably gonna be breaking down to the $60 level. And that's a good sign because you can see that downtrend is coming near its end. And if we come back near the strong support, pretty much the all-time lows for this stock, we can see a lot of buyers, aggressive buyers, push up the price at this level. And then that's when we could see Baba rally finally. So we'll have to wait and see if they want to do that, but that's a good sign that we're kind of slowing down near a strong support. That's what you want to see. Prices are definitely slowing down and getting shallower near a reversal point. So that's what you want to see. So that's everything I have for Baba on the daily and weekly charts. Give you guys an update in a few weeks. But overall, my target still holds to the bottom of this downtrend, and then maybe even $60 level. So that's everything I have for Baba. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.